this is a great new tool that we are offering our customers. Now this tool comes in handy if you've got any type of inkjet machine that is modified and you need to let the print head soak. Now you can do this at your own discretion, and we are not responsible for whatever happens to your machine or any damages or anything like that. You can repair at your own risk. So this is a mini scissor lift. Okay, now a lot of people wet cap their print heads and let them soak in something, and they usually tend to stick a bunch of books or boxes on top of each other and then fill in some type of Tupperware container to let the print head soak overnight or for a few days to try to unclog if there's a pretty nasty clog. Now that gets annoying because you have to keep finding right books and then stick them under, and they have to be a certain size, or you have to stick a bunch of papers. Okay, this eliminates all of that. This is a mini scissor lift. Okay, so you can turn it and adjust, and it just expands. Okay, it's got plenty of lift on it so that you can fill something like this up with solution, and you can just keep raising it. Or you can lower it as well. So yeah, it's a good useful tool that we're offering now. It comes in handy in a lot of different scenarios. A link to this part is in the description below to our website. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so we can keep providing you with great useful products and videos, and of course always buy from our store to keep us in business so we can keep these videos running. Also, you can feel free to comment below if you got any questions. If you need to call us, you can call us on our toll-free number on the site. You can also email us. We've got very competitive shipping rates for all of our products. They're very aggressive. We ship lots of products a day, so we get very good rates on stuff. We've got programs for second day shipping pretty much anywhere in the States. We are more than likely going to be offering free shipping to Hawaii and Canada depending on the products you purchase. So keep us in mind for all of your apparel garment needs and consumables. Thank you.